Ready to start investing in stocks but not sure where to begin? Let's walk you through the basic steps on how to buy stocks. Step 1. Choose a brokerage platform. To buy stocks, you'll need to open an account with a brokerage. There are many online brokers out there like E*Trade, Charles Schwab, and Robinhood, which make it easy for first-time investors. Look for a platform that suits your needs, whether it's low fees, educational resources, or ease of use. Step 2. Fund your account. Once your account is set up, you'll need to deposit money into it. Most brokers allow you to transfer funds directly from your bank account, and some even offer instant deposits to help you get started faster. Step 3. Research the stocks you want to buy. Before you purchase a stock, take time to do your research. Look into the company's financials, its industry, and overall market trends. You can start by reading annual reports, financial statements, and analyst opinions. Many broker platforms provide built-in research tools to help you make informed decisions. Step 4. Decide how many shares to buy. How much of a company do you want to own? Start by deciding how many shares you can afford based on your budget and financial goals. Keep in mind that some stocks may cost more than others, so make sure you're not over-investing in one stock alone. Step 5. Place your order. Now it's time to buy. Once you've picked the stock and the number of shares, you can place your order. You'll likely come across two common types of orders. Market orders. These execute immediately at the current market price. Limit orders. These let you specify the price you're willing to pay, and your order will only execute when the stock hits that price. Step 6. Monitor your investment. Buying a stock is just the beginning. It's important to monitor your portfolio and track how your investments are performing over time. You don't need to obsess over daily fluctuations, but keeping an eye on company news, market trends, and quarterly reports can help you make informed decisions about holding, selling, or buying more. With these simple steps, you'll be well on your way to buying your first stock and starting your investing journey. To learn more about investing strategies, visit Enki Insights and subscribe to our channel.